Hello, welcome to a Code Avengers HTML and CSS video. Today I will be teaching you how to program for beginners. Let's get right into it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to codeavengers.com and press the Enter Here button. This should take you to a page where you have three options: Learn, Teach, and Create. Today, we will be using the Learn page, which is the green one with trees. Next, it will take you to a page that says Junior Code Avengers, Kickstart Your Child's Future with Essential Digital Skills. Don't be afraid if you're an adult watching this video. This isn't just for kids. It's just like a basic to help you get started. From there, you kind of get started, and you should come to a page that looks like this, and you can get started doing. Okay, so welcome to the actual lesson. So let me first get you started off with some definitions that we'll need in this basic lesson, and basically like an outline for this lesson. So our first definition is a div or the div tag, and basically this just defines a division or a section in an HTML document. So you can think of a grouping symbol in math. It doesn't really define, but it groups together your equations, your expressions, stuff like that. And yeah, it's kind of what a div does. And so yeah, divs are our basic tools for creating websites, especially in HTML and basic stuff. So that's what a div looks like. Then it usually has a closing a backslash like that. Okay, so yeah. Anyways, I keep putting the div in the wrong thing. Anyways, so here it is. That's a proper thing. Then inside the div, you could just write hello. And then you may be able to see in the top corner, I don't know, but it says hello. So anyways, if you play around with this document, Code Avengers, you can just write in stuff I could write hello here. And as you can see slightly up there, it shows that there's also hello. But this is not correct, as in a regular programming thing like Eclipse or other stuff. Whatever you use, but actually in something you would use to program a real website, as this is just kind of a simulation in a way, because this isn't a real website. You'd need to create a div, and then you need more type of stuff. I'll show you a picture of the usual setup, but in this case we need to use divs, so don't just write in your hello and stuff like that, because then you can't really style it and do all this cool stuff with it. So anyways, we will be using, first off, we will be doing style. First thing I'll be telling you is style, and it's kind of like the name. It's just used for styling what you want to do. For example, my hello, I could use style, and it has to be in equals, and then quotation marks. So I could just do font dash size, and then there's the double marks. I don't know if you can see that. It's the double marks next, not another equal sign. So basically, you can think of style, equal sign, font dash size. This is just for this case. Style, equal sign, quote, font dash size. Your font, 40 pixels. That's just an example. End of quotation, end of div, mark or whatever. This thing over here. So yeah, and if we add this, we can get 40 pixels, and look, the hello just got bigger. You want to make this bigger? 100 pixels, 300 pixels, 1,000. I don't think that doesn't really fit on this page, but yeah. Let's just start off with 40 pixels. So yeah, this is kind of your basic. Style is usually what people like to learn first, and I think it's the coolest thing to learn first, as this is a basic course, you can say. The next thing we'll be doing is margin left. Oh yeah, and then you need to add this other one. It's the dot and then bracket. So basically it looks like this. I'll put in the He'll be adding this one. You can see next to that. I don't know the exact name for it, but it's like, I'm just going to call it dot bracket. Or dot bracket, what am I saying? Like a dot, I don't know, dot, comma, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. So anyway, that like tells you like when you're ending your like first style part of it, like your first thing you're styling, which is the font. Then you can do like margin left, I don't know, 20% for example. Margin dash left, sorry about that. And obviously this is like not a good, see how it moves to the left now? So yeah, this is not a good like thing necessarily, because I don't think this is like made to scale on the page, because this doesn't really look like 20. I don't know, maybe it looks like 20%. I don't know, maybe I'm tripping. 400%. Oops. 40%, 50%. I don't know, maybe I'm tripping. Because look, 50% it looks like it's more on the right. I don't know. It's meant to scale differently. I don't know. So 45 looks about right. I feel like this is 90 pixel. Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, here's the explanation for that. Sorry, 45% to the right, meaning that this hello takes up 5% of the page. So it's 45 plus 45. Or no, it takes up 10% of the page, because it's 45 on each side and then 45 on this other side. So that's 90 and then the 10. So yeah, that's like our next thing we're learning. It's margin left. And then you can also put like a margin right. Like I can switch it up. Instead of having the margin left in here, we can have the margin right. So let me write that. Oops. What the hell? Sorry, this is not the okay. I don't really like this. I'm not gonna lie. I used to like this more, but I don't know. It's kind of jacked up right now. Margin right, 45%. Ugh, this is kind of annoying. Okay, here. Why is that all over there? Okay, I'm kind of confused. This is kind of jacked up. Okay, anyways, yeah, you can do margin right. It's not like working right now, but yeah, this thing's kind of screwing up. Anyways, yeah, you can do margin right, stuff like that. And so I'll be telling you about the next thing in a few seconds. Next thing I'll be telling you about is like a P, which just basically signifies a paragraph. So anyways, you can just write in here your paragraph. I don't know. It's not really useful anymore, but it's still a cool thing to know, and it's kind of basic if you want to just get into this. So anyways, I could just write in here, hello, my name is Matthias, and I am from Los Angeles, let's say. And again, you can style this, even though you can do the same with a div. It's just like back when like old coding stuff like that used to, I'll just add a font size a little bit bigger, but yeah, they used to basically, I don't know, they thought it was easier, I guess, to do this. 10 pixels and smaller. So they just created a paragraph tag or div kind of thing. Yeah, so anyways, it's kind of cool to know. Might as well know it. I don't usually use it that much, but I used to use it a lot, so yeah. The next and last thing for now is just like a header tag. And so basically all this does is like, write it down. You can say H, which is header. Well, there's actually a lot of things you can do for it. So you can say H, yeah, expected closing tag. A majority of these you have to close except for the paragraph. If you can't see that, the closing tag is just this. Hold on, I'll just add it in here. It's boom. It's like a backslash. And for example, I just write in my name is Joseph. That's not my name, but we'll just say in here again, style it. It's all these kind of unnecessary things, but you might as well know them. And yeah, they're kind of cool. And it's this is a basic video, so more stuff you know, more like general stuff you know, the better off you'll be. Font, size. I like to use this one because it's pretty convenient. It's pretty cool. It's like the most basic. My name is Joseph. And yeah, thank you, and I'll see you next time.